Slowly, in the space of 3 weeks, actually this colony just emptied, and we were left with a few sitting, and it was almost like shell shock. The island was silent. The colony was emptying and birds dying in front of our eyes. They were fitting. It was heartbreaking to watch this magnificent bird that is so strong just have no power at all.
So it's going to start in the far corner. So today we're here to conduct an aerial survey of the Gannet colony here on the Bass Rock. We were out last year at the height of the avian flu epidemic that struck the rock last year. So we're back this year to do a second survey to hopefully give us some insight into how well the colony is recovering this year.
Trying to use artificial intelligence to automatically detect live birds and dead birds on Bass Rock, gannets in particular, because obviously humans are far more prone to error, so you can get tired, you can just get bored of counting the birds, which means you get less accurate as time goes on. A computer doesn't get bored, it doesn't get tired, so it can perform these calculations in minutes in what would take a person hours or even days to complete.
This is magnificent that we're seeing here. It truly is. When we returned this year, we didn't know quite how it was going to unfold. And what we are seeing now, there's established breeders that have survived this a lot more than I think we hoped for.